for that very first win, as Mosi pointed out, which could be a breakthrough for them in the tournament. I love the heart of this game. Both the Navy and the FEU Lady Tamarats displaying tons of it. I was kidding Louis Hipuela, the husband of Mac and my volleyball teammates. It's a battle between the side-out generation against the rally point era. But so far we haven't been lacking in joy in this game.
Yes, and I'm sure the crowd is delighted to see how this Philippine Navy team is fighting it off. Talaga hinahabol kada bola, nakita mo sila na hindi rin pabaya. Hindi lang pinababayaan. So
I think many of them, especially yung mga senior players, I almost said senior citizens, and the senior players, I think they're just happy to be playing again. In a very competitive and a popular league like ours, they're just happy to be here also.
And it's not easy to play at this level.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's face
to compete, diba? And they even won one set already, so and they're still in this game.
Yep.
That's not easy to do as Patrona gets through the blockers.
Patrona is also all business as she wants to go home early also. Manages a very nice smile. The first of the game for her though. Palma, however, has been the source of points for FEU.
Yes. And the source of joy to you.
Yeah.
Parang baby.
Kilala, andito ako.
Well, so far, in the third set, tama ka naman, Seb. Palma with 4 points along with Eulalio. On the other side, it's Tabaquero with 6, Remulla with 4.
I like the way Patrona is teaching Palma. She's telling Palma, nice smile, but put your hand on the ball. Itama mo yung pwesto mo sa block.
Yan ang mga matututunan nila dito because, you know, the veteran players, the more seasoned players, sige, okay mag-enjoy, but you have to do your job.
So tama ang, let's say, ma-deflect nyo lang, andito ako, susuporta ako sa ilalim. This is just
learnings.
I love just watching the different dimensions of human interaction dito, aside from the game itself. In the meantime, there's that snap. What's the call? Tumama.
So Ivy with the net violation.
So it'll go the Navy's way. Rosales has been a factor also for the Navy. She helped create that win in the second set for the Navy.
Mayi to serve.
Paano ang tournament format natin? Ilan ang
double round
tayo.
Yes, and then final 4, crossover.
Our
the
usual
winner goes to
crossover,
the
no?
finals.
So everybody will get some time to get used to playing together. But I like your point about the breakthrough win. That's what both teams are looking for this afternoon as we return to the serve of Patrona. Ooh.
And I'm sure that's the wish of the coach, diba? Na sana this could start something. Because anyway, we're going to another round.
And we get used to each other. Iris Patrona back in the service area with our Bicasa official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. Punch up.
Credit half that point to Patrona.
So smart.
Ang layo niya, medyo nag-hesitate si Palma on the set. Look at her. Come from the back row and set it to Ange Tabaquero. That's how important that point was.
So did you love the moonwalk she did? 2 steps back?
Imbis yung nagkamali, ano yun natin? I-cover natin? Buhayin natin ang loob ng bawat isa yung nasa loob. Ha? Alam mo, may isa dyan na makaputo-puto. Buhay lahat ng gusto niya dyan. Yung pinabayaan niya yung bola. Ha? Gandaan yung first touch. Di ba gagana yung ano?
Naku, dugo na pinag-uusapan dyan, ha?
Blood compact na ito.
Blood compact ga?
Yeah. And what is today? Ay, ano ba celebrate natin tomorrow?
National Heroes,
oh,
diba?
yeah.
Dugo na pinag-uusapan nun. Tama naman si Coach eh.
Yes.
Parang,
isa lang ang maging parang active.
I agree. Why are we collectively depressed here? Oh, look at C spinning around. Malakas na.
Sabi ni Coach Nene, parang bird flu lang yan. Pag isa lang nagkaroon, hawa-hawa na tayo dyan.
In the meantime, that setup job by Remulla ended up being a heat that was too strong by Tabaquero. Ooh, into the net. That does not help.
That's right. Susan, not enough power to get that across.
Tennis serve.
And again, you can see that Ivy goes for percentage. She doesn't attempt to score from the serve. She will just put it over. And kung maging ace yan, well, good, diba? Well and
All
good.
good. Yep. 7-4 count. Carpio serving. Buhay yan.
Ivy saving that one.
Joust. Rosales. Hijack by Palma.
And Palma is just pushing all the right buttons. Kaya naman tuwag-tuwa siya.
Nawawala mataboy. Just a joyful day for her.